If you like these videos and want more, remember to like and subscribe. Likes get this video pushed up in suggested videos listings. The more views these videos get, the more builds I can do in future videos. As always, thanks for watching. Parts and Materials Video, Part 1. Both 52mm and 54mm builds use the same methods to build. 54mm will require more material to be removed around the bottom end's jug mount point for cylinder clearance. 38mm Stroke Crank PK80 bottom half. Compression valves are great for cold starts and auto close when they fire. You can plug these, but we'll be using the compression valve for easy starts in colder weather. This type of JB weld is heat, gas and chemical resistant. High-speed steel cutters are nice for aluminum. I will not be using any gasket material except for this gasket maker. Needed for attaching the jug to bottom half. Don't screw this up. Must be capillary tubing. 304 stainless. It's made nearly perfect dimensionally. You're going to need a 12-volt mag for this plug. So apparently these tops are not very good for motorized bicycle builds. The port design just not ideal for it. You can tell by the casting of the top of the jug to it them. These are comp saw cylinders. Ceramic coatings are another thing to stay away from. In terms of a saw where things are very close, it's great. Also slows cooling of the jug down since the ceramic deflects heat away from parts around the cylinder. So your parts for this build will be in the price range of around $250 through $300. Buying a pre-built one is around $700 through $900. If you're not up to the task, a pre-built is the way to go. With every DIY project, please use common sense and be safe. If you're not up to the task for a build like this, then find a person that can help you or don't do it. It's not a fun hobby if you're already dead from building it.